When you get older, plainer, saner, when you remember all the danger we came from, burning like embers, falling tender, longing for the days of no surrender years ago.